here last year, but I lost all of my footage, RIP footage. We just arrived on Thursday night for my birthday weekend and Scott's first time being in Chicago. So right now we're actually walking to a Lou Malnati's, which I think there are multiple Lou Malnati's around, and we're gonna go get some deep dish pizza because that was something I did not do the last time that I was here. This morning we're going to go to the architecture boat tour. I actually did that last year and it was a favorite of mine. We also checked out this donut spot that was super fucking cute. It was called Stan's Donut Shop. It's like pink and pastel and it has such like an old style feel. Definitely gotta check that out. So beautiful as always, and we just checked out Millennium Park as well as the fountains near there, and now we're headed on our way to Cindy's Rooftop. It's such a beautiful barge that has an apothecary vibe. Actually feature a skull rating system to show how strong a drink can be. And after that we ended up here, which is Green Door Tavern, and downstairs is actually a speakeasy called The Drifter that has live burlesque shows. So we're just waiting right now. So these are all the cocktails, and each one of these are cocktail cards. I'm going to choose the Pulmonary for 500 with Pico in it, and Scott's choosing the Chupacabra.
El
pop into a tour, and I just found out that Chance the Rapper actually made a collab with them. It's so cool. And they have a vending machine where you only put 25 cents in to get a can of their 312 beer.
It's like a 10-barrel system. On a 10-barrel system, you can make 10 barrels of beer. It makes sense. Every one of those barrels is 2 full-size kegs, a big-ass keg. And so we can make maybe anywhere from 300 to 400 kegs every.
Which ones have you tried?
I've only ever tried the regular ones. I've had one, I think I had a coffee one once, and I had a cherry one once. That Buffalo gave me a sip of. That was it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and I had a bar. I think there's a barley wine one that I had once.
Cool.
They're born. These are baby beers. We all start here. So this is a smaller version of everything that we've seen already. So upstairs at hot side of the room, we have our 2-barrel system over here, and this is nice. We have our mashed water ton as one, and then our kettle whirlpool system as well. And then these behind me look just like those big ones we just left. Obviously a lot smaller. So with this system, we're allowed to experiment with different recipes, different ideas, anything that we want. And if it sucks, we don't feel as bad about having it done. But if it's good, and you know, people like it, we'll have employees taste it, make sure that they like it, and that's how it ends up in the tap room. The tap room exclusive. So you guys get to try it.
Right now, we bought a Burbank County 2017 Proprietors Limited Edition bottle, $50, and it tastes amazing. It has bananas and almonds.
Yeah. Oh, awesome.
How many glasses? 2 glasses?
Yeah, 2 glasses.
How excited are you, Blave?
I'm very excited. I had this once. I had a small sip of my friend got like a bottle, and he gave me like the tiniest sip because it was like so hard to find.
Pink, 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 the purple pink. Who's the purple pink? RM Champagne Salon, and it's for my birthday dinner. It's a French cuisine spot, and it's actually in the middle of an alley, like way back in the middle of an alley. It's super cool, small selection of food, but it's a really nice and quaint place. So today we're heading back home. We had such a great time. We went to Goose Island. We got some souvenir cups. We went to art festival and got some beautiful paintings. We enjoyed my birthday and we did a lot of sightseeing and it was great. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back with more. Bye.